Have you ever dreamed of making a consistent income online without needing any special skills, a huge following, or a big initial investment? What if I told you that you could potentially make over $100 a day using just one powerful AI tool? It might sound too good to be true, but stick with me for the next 10 minutes, and I'll show you exactly how people are doing this right now, step by step. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's a real, actionable strategy that you can start implementing today. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to turn this opportunity into your own stream of income. So grab a notebook, get ready to take some notes, and let's dive into the future of making money online. The secret weapon we'll be using is a cutting-edge AI video generator called Synthesia AI. Now, why this tool? Because it completely changes the game. In the past, creating professional quality videos required expensive software, powerful computers, and a steep learning curve. You needed to learn about video editing, motion graphics, sound design, the list goes on. But Synthesia AI simplifies all of that into a single, user-friendly platform. You can literally type a simple text prompt like "create a video about the benefits of meditation," and the AI will generate a complete video for you in minutes. It writes the script, finds relevant stock footage and images, adds a realistic voiceover, and even includes background music. It's like having a full video production team at your fingertips, and the best part is, you don't need any prior experience. This is the key that unlocks the method I'm about to show you. It levels the playing field, allowing anyone to become a video creator. So, how do we turn this amazing tool into a money-making machine? The strategy is simple. We're going to create and sell faceless YouTube channels. Don't worry, you won't have to show your face or even use your own voice. The AI does all the heavy lifting. The demand for video content is exploding, and many businesses and creators want to be on YouTube but don't have the time or skills to create the videos themselves. That's where you come in. You'll become a producer, creating high-quality channels in popular, profitable niches, and then selling them for a significant profit. Think about niches like finance, health and wellness, luxury lifestyles, history explainers, or tech reviews. These topics attract large audiences and are highly valuable to advertisers. The potential is huge because you're not just selling a single video. You're selling a complete digital asset, a pre-built channel with a library of content ready to be monetized. Let's break down the process step by step. Step 1 is niche selection. This is crucial. You want to pick a niche that has high search volume and good monetization potential. A great way to research this is by using tools like Google Trends or just browsing YouTube to see what's popular. Look for channels that have a lot of subscribers but use a faceless format, meaning they rely on stock footage, animations, and voiceovers. This is your proof of concept. For our example, let's choose the luxury travel niche. It's visually appealing, aspirational, and advertisers in the travel and luxury goods industries pay top dollar to reach this audience. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to move on to the fun part. Step 2 is content creation, using Synthesia AI. This is where the magic happens. You'll start by brainstorming a list of video ideas for your luxury travel channel. Think titles like Top 5 Most Exclusive Private Islands, A Day in the Life of a Billionaire in Dubai, or the most expensive hotel suites in the world. Now, head over to Synthesia AI. In the prompt box, you'll simply type your video idea. For example, create a 5-minute YouTube video about the top 5 most exclusive private islands. Use a confident male voiceover and epic, cinematic music. Hit generate, and the AI will get to work. It will write a script, select stunning videos of tropical islands and luxurious villas, generate the voiceover, and put it all together into a polished video. It's really that simple. Once the AI generates the first draft, you can easily edit it. Maybe you want to swap a clip, change the music, or tweak a line in the script. The editor is incredibly intuitive. You can give commands in plain English, like change this clip to a drone shot of a beach at sunset, or make the music more upbeat here. This level of control ensures that the final product is exactly what you envision. Your goal is to create a batch of about 15 to 20 high-quality videos. This gives the channel a solid foundation and makes it much more attractive to potential buyers. Having a library of content shows that the channel is active and has long-term potential. Remember, quality over quantity is key. Even though the AI makes it fast, take the time to review and refine each video to make sure it's engaging and professional. Step 3 is building the YouTube channel. You'll create a new Google account and set up a brand new YouTube channel. Give it a catchy name related to your niche, something like Looks Wanderer or Billionaire's Compass. Next, create some simple but professional branding. You can use a free tool like Canva to design a channel logo and banner. It doesn't have to be complicated, just clean and representative of the luxury travel theme. Then, start uploading the videos you created with Synthesia AI. Don't just dump them all at once. Schedule them to be published over a few weeks, maybe one video every 2 or 3 days. This makes the channel's growth look natural and organic. For each video, make sure to write a good title, a keyword-rich description, and relevant tags. You can even ask the AI to help you with this. A good prompt would be, write a YouTube title, description, and tags for a video about the most exclusive private islands. Step 4. Selling the channel. Once you have a well-branded channel with about 15 to 20 videos uploaded, it's time to sell it. There are dedicated online marketplaces for buying and selling websites and social media accounts. Platforms like FameSwap or PlayerUp are popular choices. These sites act as a secure middleman, protecting both you and the buyer. You'll create a listing for your channel. In the description, highlight the key features, the profitable niche, the high-quality AI-generated content, the professional branding, and the fact that it's a turnkey, ready-to-go digital asset. You can set a price based on the niche, the number of videos, and the overall quality. A well-made channel with 20 videos in a high-value niche can easily sell for several $100s, or even over $1,000. The buyer gets a head start on YouTube, and you get paid for your work. Let's talk numbers to make this more concrete. Let's say it takes you about 20 minutes to generate and polish one video using Synthesia AI. Creating 20 videos would take you roughly 6 to 7 hours of work. Add another hour or 2 for setting up the channel and branding. So, in less than 10 hours of total work, you've created a valuable asset. If you sell that channel for, let's say, $800, you've made $80 per hour. Now imagine you streamline this process. You could be creating and selling one of these channels every week. That's where the potential to make over $100 a day comes from. You can run multiple projects at once in different niches. The scalability of this method is what makes it so powerful. You're not trading time for money in the traditional sense. You're creating assets that have intrinsic value. To wrap it all up, let's recap the entire strategy. First, you identify a profitable, faceless YouTube niche. Second, you use the power of an AI tool like Synthesia AI to generate a batch of high-quality videos with just text prompts. Third, you build a professionally branded YouTube channel and upload your content. And fourth, you list the channel for sale on a marketplace and cash in. This is a real, repeatable business model that requires no technical skills, no camera, and no on-screen presence. All it takes is a bit of creativity and the right tool. The world of AI is opening up incredible new opportunities, and this is just one example of how you can leverage it. If you're ready to start your journey, I've left a link to Synthesia AI in the description below, though you can check it out. And don't forget to subscribe for more strategies on making money online. See you in the next one.